Hi, Dave.
Good morning, my friends. It's Coach Vigue, and this is day 25 of your 30 days of morning yoga. Link to all 30 videos down below. Click that, share it on. It's all free. Today we're going to focus on our hamstrings and, of course, the rest of the body. These have been helping. Please hit subscribe and click that notification bell to never ever miss one of my workouts. And today's random question, this is actually a good one. All the other ones were crap. This is a great one. When you fly, do you prefer the aisle seat or the window? I'm an aisle seat guy. I don't like to be that close to people. But if there's no one else in the row, window seat. Window seat if no one else is there. All right, modify as needed. Always use control. And thanks so much for starting your day with me, Coach Vigue. Let's make it an extraordinary one. Breathing in the nose, out the nose. Pure focus. This is your time. It's nobody else's. It's your time. Downward facing dog. In the nose, out the nose. Slow walks. They can be really tiny walks here. If you're feeling more flexible, depends on where you are in your movement and flexibility journey. Don't stop believing. Stretch out. Relax the shoulders. Do 3 more breaths. Allow that blood to move into the head. It's a great way to erase whatever distractions you carried onto the mat. You're in this inversion. Everything looks different. Everything's upside down. And you're staring at your knees upside down. And they look lovely. They look absolutely amazing. And we're in the shade. Praise the Lord. Love the shade. Okay. Let's. Pyramid. I'm just starting right off here. Left foot forward. Hands down. Stretching into pyramid. That's too much. Drop this right knee down into a runner's lunge. Inhale. We're going to bend that front knee a little bit. Exhale. Gently lengthen. And don't forget that back leg too. Press that right heel down. If this is your first time grappling with the pyramid stretch, well done. It is challenging. It's a big challenge. Feel how your back wants to resist that. It wants to lift up. Let's keep lengthening. So we're going this way, up and over. All right, one more breath with the pulse. Then we're going to hold and gently lengthen with the exhales. And that goes for your upper body too. Take out tension in your neck and shoulders. That should not be there. It'll just cramp your stretch and cramp your style, and maybe even bring some cramps into your body. You get more proficient. Bring the hands next to the leg and lengthen. Tuck the chin. Bring the nose towards the knee, but keep stretching the back. 5 more breaths. Beautiful. Rock it forward. Lunge. Feel free to press that knee in front of the toes. You got your hands down here for support. Stretch. Stretch the hip flexor. Shin, the quad, shoulders back. 3 more breaths. How proficient is your movement? Have you trained your body for just a few select movement patterns that you can really work on and the rest are suffering? Or do we work on smoothing it all out? Everything we do, smooth and controlled with great integrity. Okay, stick down dog. Back we go. Walk those legs. Stretch, release, breathe, dance. Had to bike around for about a half hour to find a quiet spot. I found another great spot I filmed at before, but Was getting ready to press record, and the lawn care guys showed up right across the street with all their equipment, so that was out. I want to talk. I don't want to do a voiceover, so we found this spot. All right, pyramid other side. When you're ready, right foot forward. Stagger the feet, find the right distance. We all have different angles in our body. Some legs are longer, some are shorter. So adapt appropriately so you're able to maintain the pose with integrity. And add that little pulse. Inhale, soften. You can also bend the back leg and lengthen. Your body will let you know how it feels immediately in this position and the direction you need to take it. Relax, upper body, shake it out. Beautiful work here. Calves, hamstrings into your glutes, into your low back. All right, one more breath with the pulse, and we're gonna hold and keep releasing into the stretch. Like the other side too, the hands can come here. Keep this foot forward. It's gonna wanna, well, mine does. I have a natural turnout. Sometimes it wants to go out here. Keep it in, definitely feel that resistance in the glute. Right up here, going down, there we are. Keeping it straight ahead. One more breath. What do you think of our old friend, the pyramid? And just for you, I cut my toenails last night. Bring it down, just for you. How special. Okay, let's go into the hurdle stretch. Always brings back memories of cross country and track, though didn't do it very effectively back then. Bring that foot in. Here's my knees, so the foot's in the inner thigh here. We're turning right over the leg here. We're gonna exhale, hinge up and over, press the back of the leg down, inhale, rise up a little bit, lift the leg up. Exhale, some movement in the stretches. Keep shaking up our ballistic style, or our dynamic stretches, our static stretches. If you don't like the term stretches, just think of it as movement, as flow, of bringing out the potential in your body. Okay, into the side bend, upper body turns to the front, hand on the leg. Oh, let's do shoulders back and down first. Strong posture. Use the word strong with posture. It is very strong. It enables you to do a lot of things much more effectively and for a longer amount of time when your posture and alignment is strong. Shoulders down, shoulders even, tuck the chin a little bit. And now side bend, up and over. Keep mashing the back of this leg down. You can also bring the forearm down back here. 5 breaths. Words are power. Visualizations are power. They lead our mind in different directions. Use a strong word like strong, and your mind fires up for that. It likes that. Set a great tone, not just here, but every day. When you wake up, any situation. The mind can do great things. It could also do great damage. Ooh, that is strong, stupendous, extraordinary. That is mediocre. No, don't use that, don't use that. Okay, we have our stretch here, my friend. Right over the leg. If you can't tell, I have to temper my excitement when I'm doing these. It's a balance. Excitement is good, passion can be good, but if it's unchecked, if it's not balanced, it's an absolute disaster. Have to keep good, steady focus, good, steady consistency. It's a great way to avoid your fitness being a flash in the pan. Same with your healthy eating, just a flash in the pan. Just one day, one time, done. My dad liked apples. He'd eat 1 apple a week, like have an apple every day. Well, I had one 5 days ago. You got to keep going. Keep replenishing that apple intake. I have an apple every night with my dog, Addie. And now my son, Dane, joins in also. He likes to, for Addie, give some to Addie, and I give him a little piece. Not with the skin, just the center part. Okay, side bend time. Look at my foot's right in the sun there. It's burnt to a crisp. Melt into it. Forearm down if you like to. The sun doesn't like when I'm avoiding it. It finds me. It's like, Coach Vigue, I see you. I'm coming through that tree, through the branches. I am gonna shine on you. One more breath. Okay, we come up. Let's shake it out. We're gonna do one more stretch here. I always write down more than we do. But we get sucked in. They're so good. They're so powerful. We don't want to dishonor it by just coming out of that pose really fast. We want to lean into it. We want to study it. We want to master it. Okay, we did this in the last one. Start with a low lunge. Right foot forward, left knee slides back. Gives you a great chance to find your own level, modify as needed. You could stay here in the low lunge with the hands down. If you've been following along every day in this 30 days of morning yoga, you know low lunge. Your body is acclimated. Now from here, I'm gonna keep sliding this left knee back. It's not straight back, I'm going on a diagonal here. As I said in the last video, I was doing this at the gym yesterday after I did some strength training and cable training and walked around for a bit, strolled around, and went to the mat, did some stretches. I just discovered this one. Little different variation on the splits. If you're looking to get into the front split business, this is a great way to do it. Work towards it, or you might find yourself woo right into it with a woo. Is my foot in an anthill? Or maybe a boom or a pow. So this leg can also slide forward. My hands are down. I'm starting to direct my hands to the center here. And then moving side to side. There we are. After all the biking I've been doing, a lot of walking. Okay, let me scooch forward. Sometimes you think you're getting bit and you're not. That sounds weird, doesn't it? Phantom bites. Stretch that hamstring, also the hip flexor, shoulders back and down. You get a really good arm and shoulder workout here too. Pressing into the ground, isometric fitness. Press into it. It's immovable. If I could move the earth here, I would have twice as many views. If I could move it. Oh, look at the doggy over there. Isn't that great? Who doesn't love to see a happy dog pooping like that? Little time cop action here. Two more breaths. I mean, let's not get crazy with this. I tell you, even in June in Florida here, being in the shade right now is almost bearable. There's a nice breeze. All right, come out of it. Ooh, how do we? With staying on the mat, bravo. Oh, shoulders back and down, barbaric yaw. Oh, I feel good. But I'm tempering that passion. I'm balanced. Balanced. Bring it to down dog. Ow. Right on a little piece of wood there. Okay. Downward facing dog. Walk it. How you feeling? How's your breath? Is your breath open? Is it efficient? Rhythmic? Knowing is half the battle. As G.I. Joe talked about in the 80s, it is true. No, that's not G.I. Joe. That's The More You Know, I think. But that was a big thing too, is the knowing is half the battle. Being aware of your breath, being aware of how your breath affects your mood and your movements. Okay, low lunge, other side, and then from there, make it yours. A little cramping here, there we are. Work through it. Right knee is going to the left, sliding back. Of course, yesterday when I was stretching like this at the gym, I was listening to Green Day. That may have helped also. Forearms down too, if you like. Move side to side. Work it out. Work it out. See where it goes. No expectations. Enjoy it. This is definitely a privilege to be able to do this, isn't it? Wherever we are, we can do this together. I am honored by it. I'm blessed. Very grateful. And with that, there goes the knee back. Okay. That's right. The Van Damme movements. Time cop. Mr. Splits. It's summer. In summer, I watch Van Damme movies. One of the things I watch. 80s Van Damme, usually. Little kickboxer. Little Lionheart. Blood sport, of course. If you really want to dig deep, watch No Retreat, No Surrender. Riff Tracks did that movie. Riff Tracks are my beloved Mystery Science Theater 3000 guys. And that movie itself is a revelation. Van Damme plays a Russian, a bad guy. It's just gloriously 1985. Glorious. And the training montages are gold. One more breath. Oh, yes. Didn't think you'd be doing this today, did you? Well, you are. We are all doing it together, and that is the good stuff. Okay. Oh, it really works the arms and shoulders. I love that. Let's finish off. What am I saying? Down dog. Walk it out. All right, my friends, you could walk for miles here. This is day 25 of your 30 days of morning yoga. I am Coach Vigue. If this video helped, please hit that subscribe button. Encourage everybody else to click the notification bell, like the video, and keep sharing. Share the link down below of all 30 morning yoga classes. And today's random question: when you fly on a plane, do you prefer sitting in the aisle or the window? I didn't mention the middle because who likes that? But if you're a middle seat person, represent below. We need to know who you are. I'm an aisle guy. Love the aisle. Reminds me of Seinfeld. All right, my friends, I'll see you tomorrow for day 26. What a beautiful, beautiful experience this has been so far. Thanks for sharing it with me. Until then. That was Shatner. You can tell it was Shatner. Shatner. Hey, my friend, it's Coach Vigue once again. I want to give you a special gift to show you how much I appreciate you training with me. It's my most popular 30-minute yoga routine from my exclusive Sean Vigue Fitness training app. All you have to do is click the first link in the comment section below, and you'll get that video immediately, and I'll add you to my mailing list.